Oh shit.
Going in, going in,
Alright, boys.
going in.
We're doing this.
Okay, Wilson, Sam.
Oh, this
Right
shit.
here, take
Watch
that.
out, Wilson. This is bad. Yeah. Bad spot for the homies. Someone's running. I think it's a scav. Don't worry about it. Wilson, you get to go now? 2 sets of footsteps. Watch out, guys.
Alright, I'm watching the hallway thingy.
They're going to office, it sounds like.
Pushing up.
We're on middle.
Don't see anything,
2
Rar.
sets of footsteps. Want me to push up?
Yeah, we can push up. I'm on your left.
Okay.
Alright, just stay aware, Wilson. Rar's on our right. Just be watching of all this side. We also gotta clear our left because there's someone that can spawn.
Watch the right.
Yeah, we're in the firing zone of 2 sides right now, Wilson. We're on like 2nd floor office now.
Really?
Yeah. We're on the metal fucking part. Yeah, watch up, like watch these doorways. Oh, I saw a person on. Oh, PMC. Yeah,
You got
PMC.
him? I don't see anybody. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. He probably already took all that guy's shit though. We probably should have pushed him though, huh? Ah, come on. You wanna go like med tennis? You wanna go forklift? Wait, he was nothing? He had nothing? Oh. Nah, let's just... I'm gonna go to med tennis here, watch out. Those pipes scared the shit out of me. I thought that was a person. Maybe we could go underground and just see what happens. Yeah, I'm on med tense. He's on BSS. Someone's on rail metal. Yeah, he's got tracer. That's a nade. What? He's still alive. He's still alive. Watch out. He's. Yeah, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. He's on that metal.